What's up, guys? It's Mr. Tech Guy here, back with another video. This video is on how to recover your Instagram account if it's been hacked or you just forgot the password. But enough, let's get right into it. So as you can see, this is my account, and the account I'm going to be demonstrating how to do a step-by-step on is this is just an example. So say you don't know the password. This is your account. It got hacked. You don't know the password. That's post. So you do settings. You add account. Log into an existing account. Username, Mr. Tech Guy 3. Forgot your password. So you can trouble logging in. You can use your phone. So I'll blur this for privacy. And once this is done loading, message is sent. It'll ask you for a 6-digit verification code, which should get sent any second now. Right there, boom, next. And like that. And you can just log in to your account. And boom, super easy, super quick video. You're in the account, you didn't know the password, all you had to do is put your phone number in, and you got your password. So yeah, super quick video, easy tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and check out my other videos.